You wake up. Your knees crack. Hips feel tight. Maybe your fingers, too. And when you finally stand, there's that tiny moment. A hesitation. A stiffness you have to consciously push through. It's subtle at first. Easy to dismiss. But over time, that morning tightness seems to get louder. The little aches feel more persistent. Movements you once did without thinking now require a bit more effort. And the frustrating part? We're often told that's just part of getting older. That stiff joints and slower mornings are simply the price of admission for life after 60. But what if that's not the whole story? What if your joints are signaling that they're missing something fundamental? Something so simple, it's often overlooked. And what if you could give your body that missing piece, right in the first few minutes of your day, and start to feel a real difference? I'm not talking about medications or expensive powders. I'm talking about one warm, simple drink. A strategic blend that is based on the science of hydration and cellular health. A morning ritual that can help support your body's natural lubrication process, so you can move with more ease. Smoother. Lighter. So let me show you what might be missing, and why your body has been quietly asking for it. Here's the thing we often forget: most of us start the day in a state of dehydration. After 6, 7, even 8 hours of sleep without water, your body is running on low. Think of the cartilage in your joints like a sponge. For it to be plump and cushioning, it needs to be full of fluid. After a long night, that sponge is a bit dry, a bit compressed. And that morning stiffness? In many ways, that's your body's signal that it's thirsty. But it's not just asking for plain water. It needs effective hydration. Your body's natural joint lubricant, the synovial fluid, isn't just plain water. It's a complex fluid rich in electrolytes and nutrients. To support it, we need hydration that is charged with the very things that help pull water deep into our tissues and keep it there. That means minerals, natural salts, and a touch of glucose to help with absorption. In other words, exactly what this morning drink delivers. It's just a simple blend. Warm water, a little fresh lemon juice, a pinch of good quality mineral salt, and a small spoonful of raw honey. That's it. Don't let the simplicity fool you. When combined correctly and taken at the right time, the principles behind this are powerful. The lemon? It provides vitamin C and has a gentle alkalizing effect, helping to create a balanced internal environment. The mineral salt? This is your electrolyte charge. We're not talking about bleached table salt. Think real salt, like pink Himalayan or Celtic sea salt, which contains dozens of trace minerals that support fluid balance and bone health. And the honey? Raw honey offers natural enzymes and, importantly, a small amount of glucose. This isn't about being sugary. The glucose actually helps your body absorb the water and minerals more efficiently at a cellular level. When you combine these first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, you are giving your body a strategic rehydration tool. It helps your system absorb fluid more effectively than plain water alone. The electrolytes get to work restoring balance, and your joints get the support they've been missing all night. It's like waking your joints up with a gentle, nourishing hug. Like giving a dry sponge the water it needs to become soft and pliable again. This approach is based on fundamental principles of human biology. Think about it: what do hospitals give to people who are severely dehydrated? A saline drip. That's salt and water, designed for maximum absorption. What do elite athletes drink to recover? Electrolyte blends with sodium, potassium, and glucose. This morning drink works on that same principle. It's not a secret medicine, it's just smart, intentional hydration. But here's the key. You don't gulp it. You sip it. Slowly and mindfully. Let the warmth settle in before the coffee, before the toast, before the busy day begins. This isn't just a drink, it's a moment of preparation. Your joints aren't asking for another pill to mask a symptom. They're asking for the foundational support they need to function well. And that support starts with proper lubrication from the inside out. Now, I want to share a quick story. A gentleman I know named Thomas, a retired firefighter in his late 60s, was really struggling with his mornings. Getting out of his chair was becoming an ordeal, and stairs felt like his enemy. His doctor gave him options, but he wanted to try a supportive, natural approach first. So he started this simple ritual: lemon, salt, honey, warm water. Every single morning. He told me that after about a week, the first thing he noticed was that the stairs didn't seem so daunting. After 2 weeks, he sent me a message. It just said, "Mornings are better." This isn't a miracle cure, and results will vary. But for Thomas, this consistent act of care made a noticeable difference. It wasn't just hydration. It was a form of daily repair. And you can personalize it. If your stomach is sensitive, start with just a little lemon. You can add a dash of turmeric or ginger for their well-known anti-inflammatory properties. Some people even add a scoop of collagen powder, which dissolves completely and helps provide the building blocks for joint tissue. Drink it slowly. By a window if you can. Let the morning light hit your face. This is about more than just healing your joints. It's about reclaiming your morning. After 60, what you do in that first quiet hour sets the tone for everything else. You're making a choice to nourish your body before it starts complaining. In that moment, you stop being a passive participant in aging, and you start aging on your own terms. So, tomorrow morning, I invite you to try it. Warm water. Half a lemon. A small pinch of real salt. A teaspoon of raw honey. Stir. Sip. And breathe. Then come back here in a week or 2. Tell me how your joints feel. Tell me if that morning hesitation starts to soften. I'd genuinely love to hear your story. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comments below. And if you've already been doing something similar, please share your experience. Your story might be the very thing that inspires someone else to feel stronger again. And if this was helpful, please give this video a like. It truly helps more people see it. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so we can continue this journey together. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. And progress starts with one warm glass, one quiet morning, and one decision to say, "I may be aging, but I'm not fading." Take care, and I'll see you next time.